Nose Blackheads Removal Step-by-Step Deep Cleaning Guide. Most people see the final result. Clean pores, smooth skin, a satisfying transformation. But what actually happens in between? Today we're breaking down nose blackheads removal step-by-step and revealing the complete deep cleaning process from start to finish. Step 1. Examining the pores. Before any treatment begins, the skin is examined closely. The goal is to identify heavily clogged pores, dense blackhead clusters, areas with the most congestion. Step 2. Deep cleansing. Surface oil, dirt, and impurities are removed. This creates a clean foundation for the extraction process. Step 3. Steam pore softening. Warm steam helps soften stubborn buildup trapped inside pores. This makes extraction smoother and more effective. Step 4. Blackhead extraction begins. Now the deep cleaning starts. One pore at a time, blackheads begin releasing from the skin. Some are small. Some have been trapped for a long time. Step 5. Deep pore cleaning. As extraction continues, more congestion is cleared from the nose. The texture starts becoming smoother. The pores begin looking cleaner. Step 6. Checking the results. After extraction, the skin is inspected again. The difference becomes visible. Many pores that were once clogged now appear significantly cleaner. Step 7. Skin recovery. A soothing treatment is applied to help calm the skin after the extraction process. Final transformation. Before, stubborn blackheads, visible congestion, rough texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother skin appearance, refreshed nose texture. Final message: great skincare transformations don't happen in a single moment. They happen step by step, and every clean pore contributes to the final result. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads removal step-by-step deep cleaning guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare tutorials, blackhead extraction videos, and satisfying pore cleaning transformations.